Hello my money makers. So today I want to show you how much these people in movie industry makes per video. How much they make per video using the trending movie. I want to show you how much Omoni has made in her trending movie. And remind me, at the end of this video, I'm also going to show you how much I've made with my faceless movie channel. Achaluga, I want to marry you. Odogu, please. Okay, as you can see on the screen, this movie has reached 18 million views just in 2 weeks. And let me tell you, my main purpose of disclosing or showing you how much they make per video is to, number one, encourage you to keep up with your channel. Number two, to teach you that you can actually create this love story movie using AI. It must not necessarily be love story movie. You can use any other movie, whether in a Christian background or any movie entirely, okay? But for the sake of this class, I am using this one as a reference because it is a trending movie. Now, before I go into how much they have made, I want to tell you criteria that you need before you can be able to partner with YouTube and start making money from YouTube. Yeah, number one is that you must have 1,000 subscribers. You all know 4,000 watch hour. And these people, if you are in a movie niche, whether you are doing it faceless, showing your face or not showing your face, I bet you people relax with movie. And most of their videos, they used to get their 4,000 watch hour in 2 days. You can see a channel, like a brand new channel that somebody just opened 2 days ago. And because this person is into movie, this person will start attracting viewers. And before you know it, this person will conclude his or her watch hour just because it is a movie. And let me tell you, if you don't want to go into movie, like create a movie with AI by not showing your face, you can as well talk about celebrities, like give news about their movies, talk about it using the same AI. So I will leave the link of the video where you can learn how to create celebrity news around this video here. You will click on it and start learning how to create that. So let's go into this movie and do our analysis. The name of the movie is Love in Every Word. So this is what we are going to do. We are going to use Social Blade. When you open this movie now, disclaimer, I am not a fan of movie. The only thing that caught my attention in this movie is that trailer that is going all over the social media. Achalugo, I want to marry you. Ologo, please. So that trailer caught my attention. So this video has gotten close to 19 million views. Close to 19 million views. So we are going to analyze some things about this channel. Copy the link of this channel. Let's head over to Social Blade and know how much this channel makes. We will also use YT large to compare the figures that both sides are giving us. So copy it and let's head over to Social Blade. Now, this is Social Blade Analytics. You go to YouTube section and then come and type the name of that channel, Omoni TV. Yeah, this is it. Click on it. Now it will bring out Omoni channel. I want us to analyze that particular video itself. Okay, this particular video have reached 19 million views. According to this place, they said it is 18 million plus views. Now, when you look at the estimates earning, do you see this? Now, this lady is not earning nothing less than $76K, not $76, $76K just from one movie. I don't know if you get it. Now, this Social Blade is even giving wrong figure. This person is earning more than this. More than this thing that you see here. Look at the category of her channel. Entertainment, likes, comments. But look at the estimated earnings. This lady earns over $76K with this movie, just with one movie. $76K. On a weekly average, she gets 4,850,959 views weekly. Now, per week, YouTube pays her per week $19,000. Even more than that, per week. She earns more than $19,000 every week. Now, this video have stayed for 2 weeks, and in a month, this lady will make above $76K. Now, calculate $76,000 to our current rates as a Nigerian. How much is it? you should do that mathematics. Now, I also want us to use YT large to calculate the earning of that particular video so far. Search ytlarge.com and copy the link of that particular video and paste here. Now this is it. Click on enter. Let's see what YT large will give us. Let's confirm if we can get the same figure that we got from Social Blade. Now this is YT large confirmation. Video authenticity. The video is perceived original. Video advertising such as are active. I mean, she's earning from ads. Now let's be going. User added ad breaks. Now the length of your video also determines the amount you make, because it means that multiple ads are going to play in between your videos. If you only create video of 5 minutes or 4 minutes, I bet you only one ad, maybe the beginning of that video will just run. And if you create maybe 15 minutes video, 20 minutes video, 30 minutes video, 1 hour, 2 hours, like their own, it can reach up to 2 hours movie, 2 hours video. So there is high tendency that multiple ads would have been running, like up to 4 to 5 ads will run across the video. This is why you should go into movie content. Okay, now when you look at this place, YT large gave us how much each video category earns per 1,000 views. When you look at shorts, 0.08 cents, music 0.70 cents, pets. Now entertainment niche or videos earns 1.60 cents, $1.60, and you keep going. You see people and blog how to, you see science and technology, you see autos, you see education, you see film and animation. So you need to check all these things before you calculate their money. Now this is what YT large told us that they are making. The video published on 25 March 7th. Okay, time, everything currently has 18 million and so on. Assuming an average RPM revenue per 1,000 views of this video is $3, this video has generated $56,989.63. $56,989.63. This is the average money that this video has generated if it has $3. But let us just put it, maybe it doesn't reach up to $3. Let's just weigh it to be around maybe $1 or $0.50 and thereabout. Now YT large told us that this video is making nothing less than $9,000 to $379.930. You see it? This thing is magical. Like, this thing is too much. Going with $1.6 is assumed that this video is making nothing less than, just in 2 weeks, has made over $30,000. This is one video just in 2 weeks. I'm even talking about if the RPM is very low, like 1.60 as they said here, which is the least. I know it is the least. So it's assumed that this video is making above 30,000 plus by now. Now wait for it until it reaches 1 month. That should be going to $60,000 to $70,000, just one video. So this is to remind you, don't play with your YouTube business. And in my next video, I'm going to teach you how you can use AI to create your movie. I would have added it in this video, but it will take much of your time and you get bored at the end of the day. So in my next video, I'm going to teach you how you can use AI to create your movie. Even if you don't want to show your face, you use AI and do that. You can actually recreate this video with AI and start making your money, because many people find it relaxing when they are watching movies. They are more relaxed, they are not tense, and the ability to watch ads to the end are there. And let me not forget, there are some criteria that determines the earning of a channel, whether movie channel or educational channel. Some criteria determines that. Number 1, the location of the audience watching this particular movie. If the majority of her viewers are mostly from Nigeria, her RPM will be low. She will be earning per 1,000 views maybe $1 point or $2 point. But if her viewers comes mostly from outside Nigeria, her RPM is going to be from $3 upward per 1K views. Okay. Now, another thing that will determine her earnings is how much the advertisers pay YouTube will determine her earnings too. Assuming they pay higher, that means she's going to get higher commission. So YouTube business is not in vain. So each day you hear your favorite actors and actresses that are telling you, please go to my YouTube channel and watch my movie. They're actually doing business. They're not playing. They are into serious business, and YouTube pays them higher more than any other platform before they can be able to gather equipment and all these things to push their movie to Netflix, which doesn't even pay them much. YouTube becomes their home base. Do you see it? So if you are not an actor, you can leverage on AI and create movie scenes, which I'm going to show you in my next video. See you guys in my next video.